Hi guys, today I'm going to be assembling Computer Kit Touch from KANO. I got this from iWorld as a gift from my mom, as my dream is to be the #1 top software engineer. KANO Computer Kit Touch make your own tablet is the best way to learn how to assemble your computer. Without further ado, let's get assembling. So these are the components. This is the screen. This is the keyboard. This is the sound sensor. This is the speaker. This is the data block. This is the brain block. This is the cable block. This is the HDMI cable. This is the plug. This is the plug. This is the battery. This is the power cable. This is the micro power cable. This is the split power cable. This is the power board. This is the touch. Oh wait, where did the touch? Oh, this is the touch cable. This is the Raspberry P13 brain. And this is the USB board. Okay, so now that I've explained all the components, let's get assembling. So I push the board into the brain block. I'm just gonna make sure that it's all a part of the memory card out. Now I'm going to turn the brain over. I'm going to turn it around. I'm going to insert it in the slot. Plug the brain into the screen. Okay, now I have to slot this cable block into the slot. Now I'm going to grab the HDMI cable, which is used to show pictures. I'm going to put it to the brain block. To the driver board. Now I'm gonna plug the orange cable from the brain to the driver board. To give voice to my computer, I'm going to plug my DY speaker into the brain. Now I'm going to slot the USB board into the data block. Now I'm going to slot it in here. I'm going to put this part above the orange cable slot. Now I'm going to give power to my computer, I'm going to put this battery here. Use the red split cable, and we're going to plug it to the power board. Now I'm going to connect it to the brain. Now I'm going to plug this end into here. And the other end here. Now I'm going to plug the micro power cable to the battery, and the other end into the slot. Take the keyboard. I'm going to switch it on so you'll see the fresh green light. I'm going to take out the white chip, which is the antenna, and connect it to the brain. Now I'm going to try and slot this case in. So now I'm going to plug the longer cable into the plug. Then I'm going to plug this into the red thing that's sticking out. Now for the final step, I'm going to get the sound sensor. I'm going to plug it into slot over here. Now I'm going to take out the film. I'll turn my keyboard on. Then I'm going to hold this button for 3 seconds. Okay, now that we've finished my assembling, in the next video, I'm going to talk about programming my KANO tablet. Bye guys!